Yes, dear students, good afternoon. And how is everyone? Yes, good, fine. All of you are enjoying. Now, festive season has started. So, if you try to recall what we discussed last time, yes, Parnay is saying, sir, we discussed numericals based on absolute refractive index and relative refractive index. So, what we are going to do today? So till now we have not discussed multiple choice questions based on refractive index and absolute refractive index and relative refractive index. So today we are going to discuss multiple choice questions on refractive index. And till now we have discussed some formulae also, ना? So हमने formula जो किया था उसमें if you try to remember, so this A mu B, refractive index of medium B with respect to medium A, it is yes, refractive index of absolute refractive index of B with respect to air. Here it is medium A and here it is medium B, and here we are talking about the air, and here it is yes, refractive index of absolute refractive index of medium A. This we have done, and after that we had discussed that wavelength of A, medium A, and here it is wavelength of medium B. Yes, absolute refractive index of medium B is inversely proportional to wavelength of incident light. Incident light. And one more formula is there, that velocity of light in medium A, and here it is velocity of light in medium B. This all we have discussed today. So discussed till today. So today we are going to apply the gained knowledge previously, okay, in multiple choice questions. Now let's begin with the first question here. The first question is this: when light from air hits a smooth piece of glass with the ray perpendicular to the glass surface, the part of the light passing into the glass, out of these four options, which will be the correct option? So here, first of all, we have to understand the ray perpendicular to the glass surface. So this means this is the glass surface here, okay, and the ray of light is falling perpendicularly. It is falling like this. Yes, perpendicularly it is falling. So when it is falling perpendicularly, we have discussed earlier, if you try to recall, so will its direction change? So change in direction? Okay, no, its direction will not change, because here angle I is equal to angle R is equal to, what is the value? 90 degree or 0 degree? Which is the correct answer here? Yes, the 90 is not correct answer. Ashutosh is saying, sir, 0 degree. Angle I is equal to angle R is equal to 0 degree. Okay, so it will go straight चली जाएगी, direction change नहीं होगा. Okay, so its speed will change. Yes, speed will change, because when light travels from one medium to another, and here it is air to glass. So in glass, definitely speed will change because it is denser than air. So its speed will change. But here it is will not change its speed. Okay, will not change its wavelength. The wavelength remains same, or will change. What is change? So will not change its space, will not change its length. तो इसमें क्या होगा? इसका wavelength change होगा. Okay, wavelength change होगा. इसमें दे रखा है कि will not change its speed. Speed is change. Speed is change. तो ये option भी correct नहीं है. Because when light travels from one medium to another medium, rarer to denser medium or denser to rarer medium, its speed is always change. Okay, irrespective of the angle of incidence. So ये option भी नहीं हुआ. Will not change in intensity. ये भी नहीं होगा. ये भी नहीं हुआ. And will not change its wavelength. Wavelength is changed, because we know that velocity is equal to frequency into lambda. So when light travels from one medium to another, then its frequency remains same. Frequency remains same, but wavelength is changed. और ये बोल रहे हैं कि will not change its wavelength. तो यहाँ पे will change its wavelength. No, okay. ये. So ये option इसमें correct नहीं है, ठीक है. Okay, so we said yes, I said कि will yes, it correction, this correct option is not correct, but this correction is correct because wavelength is not change. ठीक है. So right option हमारा आ गया ये C is the correct option here. Now second question is refractive indices of water, sulfuric acid, glass and carbon dioxide are 1.33, 1.43, 1.53, 1.63 respectively. The light travels slowest. सबसे कम किस में चलेगी? And if you try to recall, we have discussed that refractive index of a medium B is inversely proportional to speed of light in that medium. Okay, or we can say that VB is inversely proportional to refractive index of that medium. So higher is the refractive index, okay, slower will be the speed of light in that. तो इसमें देखिए सबसे ज़्यादा refractive index 1.63 है, it is 1.63 and it is of carbon, ये carbon की है. So this means light will travel slowest in CO2. So this is the correct option. CO2 is the correct option here. Okay, so correct option हमारा आ गया CO2 and here correct option हमारा था ये वाला. ठीक है, तो ये हमने green से कर दिया. Now next question. The refractive index of glass for light going from air to glass is this. Air to glass. So this means हमको क्या दिया है? A mu G is equal to 3/2 and refractive index of light going from glass to air कितना होगा? पूछा क्या है इन्होंने? पूछा है yes G mu A पूछा है कितना होगा? Okay, so this is A mu G and G mu A has been asked. So here which rule will be used? Which law? Principle of law of reversibility of light. Good. So according to this क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पर? So this is G mu A into A mu G is equal to 1 and air to glass. तो glass का हमको दे रखा है. This is 3/2 is equal to 1 and here we have to find G mu A. So therefore it will be how much? G mu A will be 2/3. लेकिन 2/3 यहाँ पर है इसमें देखे थे. 2/3 is not there. So 2/3 is not there. But if we look at this, so 2 to the 4, 2 3 the 6. ये option हमारा correct आता है ना. 2 to the 4, 2 3 the 6. So this means ये जो है it has been multiplied by 2. 3 2s and 2 2s. That is 4/6. So 4/6 is the correct option here. 4/6 is the correct option. Okay, तो हमारा right option आ गया 4/6. Any problem here? Now, the refractive index of water is, what is the refractive index of water? This you have to remember. We have discussed many problems earlier. So, is it 1.75? No. 1.50? No. And 2.42? No. ये diamond का होता है. So, correct option हमारा यहाँ पर है 1.33. This is the refractive index of water. This you have to remember. ये आपको याद करने पड़ेंगे. Okay. And now you are going to have your board this first term exam from 30th of November, and all multiple choice questions will be there. So you have to prepare for that exam. Okay, case study question will also be there. So I shall be giving you the practice of case study type questions also, multiple choice question again, and then fill in the blanks. So every type of questions will be given to you in coming sessions. Now refractive index of glass. Now question number 5. The refractive index of glass with respect to air is given. Refractive index of glass with respect to air is there given. So this means it is absolute refractive index of glass. No? So it will A mu G is equal to 3/2 and refractive index of water with respect to air. So this means it is absolute refractive index of water with respect to air हमको given है. And what we need to find out? Refractive index of glass with respect to water. So here we shall write down this. Okay, ये हमको find करना है ना. अब देखिए, just try to think which formula will be used here. Try to apply the knowledge which has been gained by you. So here we need to find out absolute refractive. We need to find out refractive index of glass with respect to water. Okay, तो here it is relative refractive index. So इसका formula क्या होगा? Yes, okay. Dev Shankar is saying, sir, its formula will be W यहाँ हो जाएगा. It is G here. It is absolute refractive index of glass upon absolute refractive index of water. And here it will be how much? 3/2, and here it will be 4/2. 3, and it will be 3 by 2 into 3 by 4, and it will be 9 upon 8. 9 upon 8. And if you try to solve it, 9 upon 8 को solve करने तो कितना होगा? 9 into we can do 25, and here it is 8 into 25. So what do we get here? So W mu G, it will be 225 upon how much? 200. Okay, it is 200. So what do we get here? Answer, it will be 2.25 divided by 2, and it will be how much? 1.125. So 1.125, देखिए इसमें तो कौन सा आंसर आ रहा है? This is not, ये भी नहीं है. 1.125 is this is the correct answer, है ना? So correct option is here, this. So multiple choice questions are good because you can have good practice. Multiple choice question में solution भी हो गया, and then you have solved the question, right? So this is a good practice for exam. Now question number 6. The refractive indices of 4 media A, B, C, D are given, okay, respectively when light traveling in air is incident in these media at equal angles. So this is very, very important. Angles are equal. Angle of incidence are equal here in each case. I is equal है ना? So the angle of refraction will be maximum. तो हमको देखना कि angle of refraction ये maximum किस में होगा? ये सब में same है. It is same. Okay. So देखिए इसमें angle of refraction depends upon refractive index. So higher is the refractive index, smaller will be the angle of refraction. Okay, ये होता है. तो देखिए इसमें 1.44 है, it is 1.42 and 52, and it is 1.65 and it is 1.36. तो question is this angle of refraction will be maximum. सबसे ज्यादा किस में होगा? तो means the medium which is having the lowest refractive index. तो lowest refractive index is 1.36 है ये. तो 1.36 refractive index lowest है, तो इसमें क्या होगा? Speed of light will be highest among all the media. So ray of light will move away from the normal, and angle of refraction will be the maximum here. तो ये हमारा आ जाएगा option D is the correct option here. Okay, any problem here? Yes. तो angle of refraction जो है यहाँ पर, angle of refraction is inversely proportional to refractive index of the medium. तो refractive index ज्यादा होगा तो angle of refraction कम होगा. Refractive index is smallest, then angle of refraction is the highest in that medium. Okay. Now next question here. So the angle of incidence I and angle of refraction R are equal in a transparent slab when the value of I is, value of I कितना होगा? Angle of incidence की value कितनी होगी, है ना? ये तो इस कंडीशन के लिए कि when angle I is equal to angle R, ये किस केस में हो सकता है? R equal in a transparent slab when the value of I is कितना होना चाहिए? Value of I should be 45, 90 or depend on the material of the slab. No, material of the slab के ऊपर तो angle of incidence doesn't depend. And 45 no, 90 no, okay, 90 भी नहीं होगा. So 90 होगा या 0 होगा? या देखिए 90 होगा या 0 होगा? Option is out of this. So here it has been asked value of I. How the ray of light is falling? This is not a question कि ray of light कैसे इस पर गिर रही है. ये नहीं कि ray कैसे गिर रही है. It is falling at 90 degree. But here you have been asked angle I की वैल्यू कितनी होगी. तो ये थोड़ा सा confusing question है. In exam you can make mistake. So ये correct option should be yes 0 degree. तो ये हमारा correct option होगा. Okay, because angle of incidence is 0 degree. This is not the question that at what angle it is falling on the glass slab. ठीक, तो answer is at 0 degree. So now question number 8. The refractive index of water is 1.33 and the speed of light in water will be. What will be the speed of light in water? ये हमको find करना है. तो इसलिए देखिए क्या करेंगे. तो speed of light in water we have to find out. So here we shall write down A mu W, speed of light in air or vacuum to the speed of light in water. Okay, and here it is 1.33 is equal to speed of light in vacuum is 3 into 10 raised power 8, and here it is how much velocity of light we have to find out in water. So therefore it will be 3 into 10 raised power 8 upon 1.33. And we have to solve it now. 1.33 इसको solve करेंगे and we shall get the answer. So we have to solve it. Okay, we have to solve it, and how to solve it? इसमें क्या करेंगे देखिए. So it will be 300 into 10 raised power 8, and here it is 133. So when we divide it, what do we get here? So इसमें जो answer आएगा, it will be 2.255 and ये चलता रहेगा into 10 raised power 8. So it can be written like 2.26 into 10 raised power 8, okay, meter per second. So 2.26 ये हमारा देखिए, it is here also. So correct option हमारा आएगा 2.26 into 10 raised power 8 meter per second is the speed of light in water. Okay, any problem here? No. Now next question, number 9. The refractive index of a material is highest for which color? Refractive index of material is highest for which color of light? Violet light, red light, or green light, or same for all colors of light. So same for तो नहीं होता ना. We have discussed that V, I, B, G, Y, O are be pure, and wavelength increases like this, है ना. ये होता है wavelength. तो highest wavelength is of red color, and the lowest wavelength is of violet color. तो violet color की जो wavelength है, wavelength of violet color is the smallest, okay, among all the colors of light. And we know that one more thing, क्या जानते हैं हम? The refractive index of a medium is, yes, inversely proportional to wavelength of incident light in that medium. ये हम formula कर चुके हैं, है ना? So wavelength of violet color is the smallest. So refractive index of this wavelength, which color? Violet color will be the highest. So refractive index of material is highest for which color? Violet color of light. So this is the correct option here. Okay, this is very important question. बहुत ही अच्छा question है ये. So do it sincerely. Now last question. The refractive index of fused quartz is 1.46. तो ये हमको quartz Q से लिख लिया हमने. This is, and here A, it is 1.46. And refractive index of spire is given. So A mu S हमने लिख लिया 1.77. If VQ is the speed of light in quartz and Vs is the speed of light in spire, then which of the following is correct? Okay, so what relation do we get? What relation we have discussed earlier between refractive index, speed of light? Try to recall. Yes, I am writing here. In the chat box, answer has been given by Ashish Roy. That's a refractive index is inversely proportional to speed of light in that medium. Or we can say that speed of light in a medium is inversely proportional to refractive index of that medium. So here what do we see? Refractive index of spire is 1.77. This means it is higher. So this means in spire the speed of light will be less. In spire speed of light will be less, है ना? तो इसमें देखिए कौन सा ऐसा है, less वाला तो नहीं है. Okay, so this means speed of light is higher than 1.46. 1.46. So this is the correct option. Okay, this is the correct option. ये हमारा correct option आ गया. तो equal भी नहीं हुआ और ये भी नहीं, क्योंकि refractive index से कम है. तो refractive index कम होगा तो speed of light in that medium is higher. ठीक है? Okay, तो ये भी option हमारा नहीं है. Vs is greater than VQ. No. ठीक. So any problem here? तो then spire इतना है, तो VQ is speed of light in nature. तो क्या find करना? Is the speed of light in spire? Oh, yes. So then which of the following is correct? Okay, so correct option is this. So this way today we have discussed 10 multiple choice questions. I am sure you must have enjoyed, and do practice at home, and more questions will be given in coming session. Okay, then till then, thank you very much, and continue to save water.